So ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the Vivo X70 series.
I'm ahead of the game. Caught up on the line, got a string around my finger. Remember who am I? I'm a prodigy. Logically, I'm impossibly wanted. Then they'll remember my name. They'll remember my name. Well, I'm ahead now. I'm ahead of the game. I'm ahead of the game.
And with the X70 series, your professional portrait aspirations are taken to an even higher echelon. We decided to bring something unheard, unseen, and unprecedented in the industry. So much so, you won't really need a DSLR camera anymore, because we are bringing one of its kind Zeiss style portrait to the X70 series. Vivo and Zeiss went ahead and developed the Distagon style dreamy bokeh to show the celebrity you truly are. The planar style classic bokeh for the maximum focus on you in those moments of celebration. And the sonar style creamy bokeh when you decide to softly blend with nature. We decided on these different Zeiss style bokehs so that your photos are not restricted to just one iconic style and you can express yourself better. For decades, T-star coating has been one of Zeiss's signature techniques and a strong guarantee for high quality imaging. And today, we are really proud to bring you Zeiss T-star coating on not just one, not two, but all rear lenses of the X70 series. The strict standards of T-star coating are not very easy to meet. We had to think beyond the ordinary as we use the true engineering marvel of IRCF coating and the meticulous precision and detailing of the intricate ALD coating on the lenses of X70 series. With reduced light reflectivity and ghosting, the T-star coating not only lets you capture the clear warmth of the sun during the day, but also capture life in all its resplendent colors, even in an ultra backlit scene. Speaking of backlit scenes, night photography is probably one of your biggest challenges. And great night shots demand something extra, something truly revolutionary. We heard you. And this is where we derive inspiration for our latest innovation, the high transmittance glass lens. This groundbreaking marvel minimizes changes in its properties due to temperature variations, improves light transmission, lowers dispersion, and hence enhances your breadth of artistry. Now, Abbe number tells us the light dispersion on a lens. The higher the Abbe number, the clearer the image. For instance, a plastic lens has an Abbe number of 20. The lenses of our eyeglasses have an Abbe number of around 30. The ordinary glass lens has an Abbe number of 64.1. And finally, the high transmittance glass lens has a staggering Abbe number of 81.6, the highest ever in a Vivo smartphone. Thanks to the glass lens's low dispersion, you can now capture the magnificence of the clouds and snow on your trip in all their true glory. Nature offers us many colors, and to capture each color with authenticity, our partnership with Zeiss brought about Zeiss Natural Color, a seamless transition from highlights to shadows for shots under the sun or true blues. The industry-first Zeiss Natural Color gives wings to your creativity. We have talked so much about photography with you, You must be wondering, what about videos then? They are the true storytellers after all. If a picture says 1,000 words, a video is a book in itself. Videos tell stories, your stories, stories of adventure, stories of thrill, stories of discovery, stories of living. And a byproduct of this constant evolution is the Pro Cinematic Video for the X70 series. There are three key elements of Pro Cinematic Video. When you switch the lens while capturing videos, the smooth angle transition manages shift without jumps, giving you a seamless transition. With adjustable audio, you can decide the balance between the subject and environment noise. You can also adjust the focus zones to give you unbounded creative possibilities. Cinema style. And our next feature is something I take great pride in announcing. In the last 24 months, our R&D personnel comprising 300 people took upon a journey. The tireless dedication of this team brings to you the Vivo V1 chip. Our first dedicated chip just for the phone's camera. A technology that was unheard of. With the Vivo V1 chip, you can manually adjust the light balance, preview, get to know the time for the shot, and preserve this innocent memory without disturbing your baby. The V1 chip's partner in crime, the super photosensitive GN1 sensor, comes together to give you excellent noise control and stunning results even in an almost zero lux extreme night environment. Now, capture the breath of life as your baby sleeps peacefully in the night, or relish the beautiful sights under the stars. The V1 chip makes each experience truly lifelike. And in case you are wondering if that was all, well, we are just getting started. We all know what the horizon is, right? It's the stillness where the ocean and the sky meet. But while shooting videos, a lot of people miss this stillness due to their phone rotating in their hands. That is what inspired us for the horizon level stabilization. When recording with the 48 MP ultra-wide gimbal camera of X70 Pro Plus, your video remains horizontal, even if your phone rotates a full 360 degree. Next time, don't be worried about a tilted frame when recording videos. We got you covered. Imagine you're watching a sporting event either at the stadium or at home, wanting to capture the winning moment. But due to the thrilling rush and the moving players, all you can capture is a blur. Just a blur. We at Vivo want to do things differently so that your adventure never stalls. The gimbal camera gives you that new perspective to see better, sense clearer. X70 Pro's main camera is now powered by a massive 50 megapixel Vivo customized flagship Sony IMX766V LAR sensor, which has 4 pixels combining to give you an enormous 2-micron LAR single pixel. With a 56% better photosensitivity performance, it also supports 2x2 on-chip lens combined with laser focusing, which brings faster and more accurate focus. Indulge in lag-free shots of a drive by the beach and capture the beauty of the sun, the sand, and the sea. Ultra-sensing gimbal camera of X70 Pro will never let you down. For the first time ever in a smartphone, we have brought together the partnership of a gimbal and a LAR sensor, which will give your imagination the wings they have always sought. The camera is our heart here at Vivo, and we put all our heart in it and give it all to you. We wanted to make sure that the X70 Pro Plus is effortless to work with. Hence, we have created a noble ceramic cloud window for the camera module, bringing a double delight of vision and touch. Lovers promise the stars and moon to each other, but something that encompasses it all, the entire universe. That is where we draw inspiration from for the X70 Pro. From the universe, let's move to the North Pole. The colors, the uniqueness inspired us to make the design simple rather than complex. I would like to believe that beauty is in the hands of the phone holder. And when you get your hands on the X70 series, it will bring a smile to your face. A Vivo X series story is never truly complete without a moment of pure thrill. And it is you, our consumers, who write this moment of magic for us. So, before we go, as a gesture of gratitude, I have something more to share. We are delighted to be the first in India to bring you the powerhouse, Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus with our X70 Pro Plus. Built with the unbelievable 5nm fabrication process and integrated with Qualcomm Cryo 680 octa-core CPU, the massive Cortex X1 core dramatically increases peak frequency to 3 GHz. And for your professional camera aspiration, the Spectra 580 triple ISP's 35% faster processing gives you low light photos with incredible detail. The Antutu score is a great measure of the speed of the phone. The higher, the better. And our Antutu score stands at a whopping 8,76,000, which is 115% of the previous generation. X70 series also supports dual SIM 5G for both SA and NSA networks. Adding to the chemistry between the camera and the processor is the fact that our phone has 1 billion colors, one almost for each Indian perhaps. The WQHD Plus resolution, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1500 nit peak brightness, SDR10 Plus standard with the elegant curve of the display makes it our best ever. To further accentuate the complete flagship experience, the X70 Pro Plus also gives you an immersive dual speaker sound output together with powerful haptic feedback so that you live your favorite game, not just play it. Running out of battery? Juice up your X70 Pro Plus in a jiffy with the 55-watt flash charge. Life is too short to be spent on charging your phone. With the new 50-watt wireless flash charge, get your phone charged anytime on the go and never miss any action. Life is not always perfect. It is often punctuated with those not so welcome oops moments. But with the IP68 rated X70 Pro Plus, don't hesitate before getting that out of the word underwater shot. And so, here is a quick glance at the X70 series true flagship experience. And to ensure a magical experience for you before, during, and after you proudly own the X70 series, we have 8 delightful ways to take care of you. This festive season, let us be the reason to bring a smile on your face.
And now, the paths to make the X70 series your own. The marvelous X70 Pro 8 plus 256 GB variant is available at just rupees 49,990, while the 12 plus 256 can be yours at just rupees 52,990.
And we have a special delight for you this festive season. The X70 Pro 8128 GB is available, hold your breath, at just 46,990.
You can own the path-breaking, trend-setting X70 Pro Plus at rupees 79,990. And you can buy the 50-watt Vivo wireless flash charge station at just rupees 4,499.
We also have some super pre-booking offers and unmissable sales offers available across our sales partners.
We hope our X70 series gives you new reasons for celebration. After all, we have given the Vivo X70 series our all just for you. Stay healthy,
Stay safe.